Hi, welcome to Just Another Land Cruiser. Today I'm going to show you how I installed a hood prop onto my 97 80 series Land Cruiser and took out the hood struts. Alright, for this modification you're going to need 3 parts that I got all my parts from the Pick and Pull. Go there quite a bit. So any Toyota, I pulled these off a 4Runner. Just make sure when you pull the pieces you're going to get the 2 little doohickeys that one holds this down like that and the other end goes right here, and I'll show you all that when we install this in a minute. But those are the 3 parts you're going to need to grab. Alright, for the little black piece you're going to slip that onto the hood prop and then insert it into the hole here and just push. That part's done. Alright, for the other side, simple as there. The square hole's already there. Just clip that, push that down, done. Your hood prop stays put. Alright, as you can see, I did have to modify the hood prop just a couple places. Made this bend here to follow the front clip. And then on the other side, I had to do this little bend for it to fit in the hood properly. But other than that, you guys, you can see that is almost factory. I assume the hood prop had better bends in it than I put in, but for me, hey, this works. And once complete, no more PVC holding up your hood. And also, the hole up here in the hood for the prop to sit into, it's already there. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the channel if you like what you see. Thanks.